How to install lock screen widgets on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install lock screen widgets on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is download an app. For that, head over to your app store and simply search for Widgets. Now, after you search for that, you will see this app right here. Download it and set it up. Now, after you finally set this up, what you can do is head over to the lock section right here. And after you're on the lock section, if you like any widgets, you can simply tap on it. If you want to explore, you can head over to the explore section. And there also be sure that you're on the lock screen. If you want to download one for the home screen, that's completely fine too. Now, if you want to simply download one, a really simple one, you can download whichever you want. So I'll just tap on one. Now let it fetch its data. Now what you'll need to do is tap on import widget. Now after you get the imported successfully option, head back here, go to manage, and there you will see circular option. Tap on one. And what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to choose one here. So you can choose one that you just imported. And after you tap on one, what you'll need to do is tap on yes, tap on lock screen, and you're basically good to go. Now you can head back to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find wallpaper option. Tap on customize on the lock screen. And under there, tap on add widgets. After you tap on add widgets, you can simply scroll down till you find widget option. Tap on that and you will see the widget that you just imported. You can tap on it and then it will just get added. Now you'll notice that you've added the widget. Tap on done. And now whenever you are on the lock screen, you will notice the new widget. Now here you will see the new widget. You can adjust its size, it's completely up to you, but that is basically how you can install a lock screen widget on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.